Okay, we're here at Price's Fork Schools, and today we want to show you how the teachers will disinfect the classroom after the classes change. So if you'll notice, this classroom is set up with social distancing in mind. We have an AM student desk and a PM student desk. So during the class change, students will sit at different locations. So during the morning, the teachers will use typically the spray bottle with the disinfectants. And here we use the products that we have in our dilution control system, which is our diversity command center. Our disinfectant is called Oxivir, and that's what's in our spray bottle today. Our main focus is on touch points, and in the classroom we're going to focus on desktops, chairs, counters, computer keyboards, phones, pencil sharpeners, and such. So those are the key touch points. The other thing, another concern is in the product, if it has a CDC or an EPA registry, and our product does, and the product here code matches what's on the bottle as well as what is in the command center. And it does say that it will fight and kill the SARS that kills the COVID-2, the COVID-19, and just by following the simple disinfection processes. So basically what you'll see with the teachers, and we'll make sure that all teachers will have their gloves and we also supply the classrooms with hand sanitizer, as well as all the classrooms have, the handy wipes. So basically what they will do during the class change is just simply a spray, and you want that just missed it. And the product has a dwell time of 4 minutes, Oxivir. And there you have it. Next, I want to talk about how we clean the classroom in the afternoon.